and Durov. And lead is taken by LA by the rail, moving up on the outside is Eagle Swing, and Lakes Way moving up in between horses. It is now Lakes Way by the rail, Eagle Swing on the outside in second, LA running in third, and in fourth is Speed of Firm, and Treasure Duck is bringing up the rear. And rounding the far turn, Lakes Way by the rail, Eagle Swings on the outside in second, LA a very far third. It is now Eagle Swings on the outside and Lakes Way by the rail. Eagle Swing on the outside, followed by Lakes Way by the rail. And into the home stretch is Eagle Swings on the outside, Lakes Way by the rail. And closing in third is LA Speed Up Firm, and Treasure Duck. At the top of the stretch, Eagle Swing on the outside, Lakes Way by the rail. And LA moving up on the inside. Eagle Swings on the outside, LA by the rail. Eagle Swing on the outside, LA by the rail. Eagle Swing on the outside, LA by the rail. LA by the rail, and Eagle Swing on the outside. And finally at the payoff line, LA, Eagle Swing, Lakes Way, Speed the Firm, Treasure Duck.
Okay, crossing the wire first, only the third choice, entry number 1, Ale